Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're unpacking a true stock market paradox. It's the story of a high-tech company that somehow is a massive winner and a huge loser, all at the very same time. Yeah, it's a real head-scratcher. The company is called Applied Digital, or APLD, and on the surface, it seems to defy financial gravity. So over the next few minutes, we're going to dive into the story and the data to figure out what in the world is going on. Okay, so let's start with the winner part of the paradox. If you look at the last 3 years, Applied Digital stock has been an absolute rocket ship. I mean, it's handed investors a spectacular 600% return. But then you look at the loser part. Last year, the company was just bleeding cash, losing over $161 million. So a massive return, but also a massive loss. How is that even possible? Well, the answer starts to come into focus when you look at the company in two very different ways. First up, let's explore the part that has investors so incredibly excited. Its powerful story. You know, the investor Kerry has a great way of putting it. He says you need to analyze both the qualitative story and the quantitative numbers. The story tells you the dream, right? But the numbers, they tell you the reality. If you rely on just one without the other, you're pretty much investing blind. And Applied Digital's story is a really, really good one. They're basically positioning themselves as the people selling picks and shovels during this AI gold rush. They're the ones building the essential digital plumbing that the whole AI revolution depends on to even exist. And we're not talking about a small sandbox here. They are tapping into a market that is just exploding. I mean, it's projected to be worth almost $400 billion by 2030. The demand for what they're building is just growing at an incredible pace. And this isn't just a fantasy. This potential is already turning into real, jaw-dropping deals. For instance, they signed a single contract with an AI startup, CoreWeave, that's estimated to be worth around $11 billion over its lifetime. One contract. They've also got a real innovative edge. They're not just building generic warehouses for servers. No, these are specialized centers with things like cutting-edge liquid cooling to handle the insane heat from AI chips. Plus, they've cut their build time in half, from 24 months down to 12. And they're smart about it too, placing them in cold climates to get some of that free cooling from Mother Nature. Okay, so the story is incredibly strong. You can absolutely see the appeal. But that brings us to the other side of the coin, and this is where things start to look a bit messy. Let's talk about the numbers. And this is where the paradox really hits you. If the story is so fantastic, why do the current financials look so shaky? Well, when analysts put a grade on the company's financial health, the report card that came back was not one you'd want to hang on the fridge. It gets D's for profitability and for its ability to cover its short-term bills, what's called liquidity. Not exactly a star student.
So why the bad grades? Well, for starters, it's unprofitable. It's losing more money than it's making. Its short-term health is strained, meaning it has more bills due soon than it really has cash on hand. It's also taken on nearly $1 billion in debt. This is all happening because it's in this massive build-out phase, spending a fortune to construct these data centers before those big checks start rolling in.
This comparison really helps spell out their strategy. Unlike a crypto miner like Marathon Digital, whose entire fate is tied to the wild price swings of Bitcoin, Applied Digital is playing a different game. It's betting on stable, long-term contracts from the AI industry to create a much more predictable and hopefully profitable future. So, let's recap. We've got a fantastic story and, frankly, some pretty terrible-looking numbers. How on earth do analysts make sense of all this? How do they solve the paradox? The verdict really boils down to this. APLD is a high-risk, high-reward investment. It is a bet on the future, and that future is far from guaranteed. That makes it, as one analyst put it, probably unsuitable for conservative investors. You can see that risk reflected perfectly in the wild range of possible futures for the stock. If things go wrong, if there are delays, the price might not go anywhere. But if the company executes flawlessly, analysis suggests the stock could triple, or maybe even more in the next few years. That's a huge spread. So, what's the bottom line? Well, analysts took all of this information, the good, the bad, and the risky, and put it all together into a final investment score, 65 out of 100. That score perfectly quantifies this tug of war between potential and risk, labeling the stock a speculative buy. And what does speculative buy really mean? It means it's an investment for people who have a high tolerance for risk. It's a bet. It's a bet that the incredible story of tomorrow will eventually be strong enough to fix the ugly numbers of today. So what's the final takeaway from all of this? The whole story of APLD actually teaches us a really fundamental lesson about investing in new, exciting technology. And the big lesson is this: you always have to use both lenses, especially in a sector like AI that's just driven by so much hype. First, analyze the story, get excited about the vision, the potential, but then you have to get a reality check from the numbers. Only after doing both can you decide if that story is strong enough to justify the risks. And that leaves us with the final, challenging question every tech investor has to ask themselves. When a company's story and its numbers are in direct conflict, which one do you bet on? The power of the narrative or the cold, hard reality of the data?